Hey guys, so in today's video, I want to show you how to link your PayPal and your Payoneer account so that you can do withdrawals seamlessly from PayPal to Payoneer. But before I get on with the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribing to the channel. It really helps us grow. Now, let's get into it. So if you live in Nigeria, you know that creating the PayPal account is just one part of the hurdle. The next problem becomes how to withdraw from your PayPal account to your local bank account. For a very long time, I used the UBA prepaid dollar card. You can also get this card in Naira, and this card works seamlessly. I always recommend it. But now I'm going to show you a new method, which is easier. For the dollar card, you have to go to the bank and request for that card before you can link it to your PayPal. But this method does not require you to go to the bank because it's going to be done from Payoneer. Now, a lot of you may not know this, but Payoneer actually gives you the chance to have foreign accounts once you create an account. And that's what we're going to link. You're going to link a US account to your PayPal. Let me just show you how that works. Now on your Payoneer, if you have a Payoneer account, I will strongly recommend that you have this account fully functional, verified and all, because it makes the process of linking very easy. So once you're on your Payoneer, if you go to receive and then global payments, you will see that here you have a number of foreign accounts. You can see the approved accounts I have. I have a UK account and 2 US accounts, which we're going to talk about. I'm going to tell you about those 2 in a minute. And you can also see that you can create more accounts. You can create Japan, Singapore, Canada, Australia accounts and all of that. So, but we're trying to get our money in US dollars. Now, a lot of people ask this question and I have really not seen it answered. This is the account that you're going to get. You're going to get a Bank of America account. People ask, why not just use this? Because the method I'm going to show you will require us actually creating a new account, which is a community federal savings bank account. So a lot of people are confused. Why not just connect this? But let's just try. Let me show you. If you go to account settings on your PayPal and then scroll down to money, bank and cards. Now this is where you link your bank. You can see I have one bank linked, but if you let's try to link this bank now, the Bank of America. Now these are the details. So I'm just going to copy the routing number and then come here. Oh, make sure also that you select link a US bank account. Now, once you do that, you have fewer options: checking, savings, routing number, and account number. So if you look here, it says checking account type. So we select checking, and I have copied the routing number. I'm going to paste that. Go back and copy the account number now. With that copied, I come in here and I paste it. Now, if I click on link your bank, it says your account needs a little help, and just some type of error will pop up, and meaning you cannot link this Bank of America account to your PayPal. So 9 times out of 10, I think, depending on the country where you are, if you're in the US and you have a proper Bank of America account that you opened yourself, went to the Bank of America, you probably may not have this problem. But I don't know, for some reason, the Bank of America account you get from Payoneer just does not work. And that's the reason why we need another bank account, which is this second one that I now have. So let me show you how to get the second account that is guaranteed to work. 9 times out of 10 it will work. Go to help and then go to help center home. When the page loads up, you want to go to send payments and withdrawal to bank. Now here, click on withdrawal/bank accounts. And once you have this, we're trying to contact the Payoneer support and to request them to create a new account for us. Click on having issues with adding a new supplier bank account. Click on that. Click on contact. It's going to load up in a new page. You want to select your language, of course it's English. And now you want to copy this message. I'll leave it in the description. Just copy this message and paste it in here. Just simply saying, I want to add a community federal account. Can you please add a community federal account to my existing account? And thanks. Click on I am not a robot. Now I'm not going to submit because I already have this account, but I'm just showing you the process. Once you click on submit, they're going to send you an email telling you that they have seen your message. Your inquiry is important to us. We'll review your request and reply within 2 business days. It should be around 2 to 3 business days. Sure enough, in my case, you can see in 3 days, about 3 days time, I sent this message. If you check, I sent this message 3 days ago. After 3 days, I got this message and said, we are happy to inform you that a new collection account has been added. So just to view this, please go to your Payoneer account and that. So once you get this message, it means that the account has been added. So take note that all you need to do is to just, like I showed you, and send this message, nothing else, and they will do the whole thing, adding the account, the new account to your existing Payoneer account. After that, if you come back to receive and then global payments, that's now you will see this new account, and you can see it says Community Federal Savings Account. Now once you have this, so you want to go to your account settings and come down to money, banks and cards once again, and now click on link a new bank. The same process, just like we did for the Bank of America that did not work. You want to select link a US bank. It's also checking. If you see here, let's click on it. If you check here, you'd see that the account type is checking. With that selected, you want to copy the routing number, paste it here, copy the account number, paste that account number here. So with these two information, you simply click on link your bank. I'm not going to do this because I already have it linked. Now, once I clicked on link your bank, the process was straight up. There was no hiccup because I already have my Payoneer account verified. But if you do not have your Payoneer account verified, the process might be a little different. So let me show you what might happen if you do not have a verified Payoneer account. So your own prompt will look something like this: how to confirm your bank account. PayPal is going to send you two payments, to your Payoneer account through that account that you're just trying to link. Look out for that particular transactions. It could take 3 to 5 working days, as they've said here. So look out for that payment. And once you receive that payment, it's going to look something like this. So all they want from you is to tell how much they sent to you, what amount of money did they send to you. So you're going to get all that information from your transaction list on your Payoneer account. And once you have that information, you want to go back to your PayPal account, and then then where it says confirm bank, you want to click the deposit amount. You want to type in the deposit amount into that box, the two places where it said deposit amount, and then you can now verify that yes, this is my account. So that is the process it will take if you do not have a verified Payoneer account. So in both cases, after everything, you're going to see it says that your account has been linked. It was successful. And so if you go back, I already have this linked before now. But if you go back, you can see that in my money, banks and cards, I have a new account here saying Community Federal Savings Bank. Remember, it did not work for the Bank of America. So what this now means is if I go back home and I want to make a withdrawal, I can now choose to use the Community Federal Bank. So let's try to do a transfer. This is my prepaid card I always used, and now this is the new bank. So select that and then go to next, and I can now transfer. But take note that there is going to be a lot of processes. So you're going to transfer from your PayPal to your Payoneer, which means that you are going to pay a fee. And here it says 3% fee. And then you're going to transfer from your Payoneer to your local bank account in Naira or in dollars, which is also going to incur some charges. But if you don't have any other options, this is the way to go. So if I want to withdraw this money right now, all I need to do is click on next. It's telling me how much I will get to my account, which is $60. So they're going to take about $2. So it is not much, really. It's not much. 3% is much. When it gets higher, like maybe you're withdrawing $1,000, it could get higher. And all I need to do now is click on transfer. The money will get sent to my account, but I don't want to do this because I like to transfer straight to my UBA card. I'm going to do a video showing you how to go about getting your UBA card and then linking that to your PayPal. I think that's the preferred method because there are not much hurdles to jump. You're not paying the fees twice. So straight up from PayPal to your UBA card. So, or your any prepaid card that you have. I'm going to also link other prepaid cards because I'm getting some other prepaid cards and testing out which ones that work. I just want to give you guys a lot of options for you to be able to withdraw your money. So I've showed, this is 2 now. I've confirmed for sure that the UBA prepaid card works Naira or dollar. This also works. You linking your Community Federal Savings Bank account from Payoneer. This works. You can see, you can transfer. I'm going to get other cards and show you all of the options that you can have to withdraw your money from PayPal to your bank account and have that money physically that you can use to do stuff, because that's the essence of us having these accounts. So that is all for this particular video. I hope that you found it helpful, and please don't forget to like the video so that it can get in the faces of more people that need to see it, and also consider subscribing to the channel so that our channel can keep growing and you can keep us excited to keep doing content like this, valuable content for you like this. And yeah, that's all for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.